The SOAR program stands for Small Business Operators Arriving Ready. It's our local small business pilot program that we incorporated into our existing concessions program here in the Evans Terminal.
So our First Lady of Wayne County, Renata Evans, came to us about 2 years ago. She is a big champion for small businesses in the community, and she's talking about an idea of getting our small businesses here, letting our passengers have a chance to taste the flair of Metro Detroit. So in working with her ideas and her vision, we came up with SOAR. One of the reasons we want our small businesses to operate here, first and foremost, to the traveling public, we want you to get a taste of Metro Detroit.
Hello, I am David. I'm the owner of Quick's Chocolate. Quick's Chocolate is a Belgian boutique chocolate store. We are based out of Ferndale, Michigan, but we opened in Belgium. We had House of Chocolate Quick's, or Chocoladehuis Quick's, which opened after World War II until the mid-80s. And so now we brought it back alive here in Michigan. We do a lot of handcrafted chocolates according to old Belgian recipes in Ferndale, Michigan. And the opportunity to showcase that tradition off here in the airport is just phenomenal.
Look how many businesses we have in this community. There's so much more to come.